So hello and welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's mini video of the 12 days to Christmas, I am going to show you how I make my hydrating and strengthening hair mist. Okay, and this mist could be used before you start the hair, during the week when you want to moisturize the hair, and it is safe to put on your scalp as well. Right, it's not going to clog up, it's not going to clog a scalp. Okay, it's not going to clog the skin, which is good. Right, so what I'm using in this mix is very simple. It's about 4 ingredients in total. We have some dry rose, some dry hibiscus flowers, and water. Yes, you heard me, water, just water. Right, the other ingredient I'm using in this is only because I do not want it to go rancid, which is the liquid Germal Plus. That is a preservative. Okay, I don't want it to go rancid because you don't listen. All you ever smell rancid flowers. Woo, does not smell good. Anyways, and I'm applying it to my hair, so you know I don't want my hair smelling stink, right? So that is why I put preservative in my mixture. If you do not wish to put preservative in your mix, you can do so. However, I recommend that you make a little bit. Do not make plenty like I did here. Okay, just make a little bit. But anyways, so this is me. I'm going to show you how I use it. Right, it's just simple spray, wet your hair. That is it. That's how you use it. And I'm going to show you in the next clipping how my hair looks like when I'm finished styling it. And that's it. Hope you enjoy. Bye.